Welcome to our overview of the Growth Opportunities tool. After setting up your business and adding products to your catalog, it can be challenging to know which Amazon tools to leverage to help grow your business. The Growth Opportunities tool is geared to help you identify the business objectives, programs, and tasks most likely to impact your performance. It provides a personalized experience for you to prioritize actions at the ASIN level by identifying recommendations that are unique to you and your products. To access the tool, hover over Growth and select Growth Opportunities from the Seller Central main menu. Here, you'll discover ways to increase an ASIN's conversion or sales, reduce cost to operate or improve traffic, and drive discoverability. Our recommendations are based on a number of factors, like our assessment of your product's sales potential, or the sales lift other sellers experienced after following the recommendation on a similar product. Browse your top 50 opportunities or select an opportunity category on the left side of the page to view a recommendation by goal or type. Categories include sell new products, improve sales, reduce cost, and drive traffic. You can also create a custom ASIN list, which helps you bundle products of a certain type, such as color or category, in your portfolio. We rank your recommendations for you by evaluating the estimated effect and relevance to your products. The ranking order is personalized to each seller. You can find all recommendations ranked under the Rank column. Click on a recommendation to see ASINs with that recommendation. For example, when you click Create Sponsored Products Ad under Drive Traffic Recommendations, we'll suggest keywords to use when creating your campaign. Click Review and Launch in Ads Console to take action. ASINs with a high value or HV badge can help you prioritize which ASINs to improve. Hover over the badge to learn more. You can hover over a column title to review each metric's definition, or click the column titles to sort by ascending or descending order. One of these metrics is impact, which represents the potential sales lift you could have earned if you'd taken the recommended action on that ASIN 90 days prior. To inform this estimate, we use your sales performance for the ASIN and any actual sales lifts experienced by sellers selling similar products. Click the impact metric within each recommendation, and a pop-up window will open with more information. Impact metrics vary by category and include likelihood of sale, net proceeds gain, potential sales lift, and potential traffic lift. Click the button featured below a recommendation to go to the page where you can complete the action. Note that the button's call to action will depend on the recommendation. You can read about an opportunity and how it could benefit you by clicking Why this recommendation. But also select Snooze to hide an opportunity for 1 month, making room for another. Click Provide feedback on any recommendation to share your feedback with Amazon. To provide more general feedback or request a new feature for the Growth Opportunities tool, select Rate this page at the top of the Growth Opportunities page. In certain cases, we'll share multiple recommendations for a single ASIN. Use the Search by ASIN field to search and select an ASIN. Then review these recommendations and act on the ones you'd like to take. Or select View All ASIN Opportunities below the ASIN to see all of the ways you could improve that ASIN's performance. Recommended actions are projected to have the greatest impact for a particular ASIN. For more information on the types of opportunities that the Growth Opportunities tool provides, select Learn More about Growth Opportunities from the menu. Then, click Opportunity Types to select and review each category. We also recommend selecting metrics to learn more about the key performance indicators the tool can assess for you. Your top 50 opportunities are updated daily. Check back as often as you'd like to locate and act on the ones that matter most to your business. This concludes our training on the Growth Opportunities tool. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.